Random video. This one's not Halo. No, not Halo.
It's Fortnite.
Probably. Well, we'll get into that later. So, today's video, we're going to show you how we went from this and this to this. No, I think it's spirit fingers.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, so this video is not going to be a step-by-step tutorial. This is just going to be pretty much an overview of how we took some, I don't know, they're pretty ruggedly built DIY beds and made them, I don't know, what dare I say, dope as shit. I like it. Yep, dope as shit. First, I want to show you, I had a problem. I got teenage boys. And they claim they just sat on the bed and they break in half. So, yeah, just broke on its own. You just sat on it. Okay. I can see it, Pinocchio. I'm gonna put a Pinocchio clip in there.
Yeah.
Or maybe we should put some pants on fire. Maybe that's better.
Both.
So yeah, so we did. I bought some beds on Craigslist. I kind of cheated and made them dope as shit. So yeah, here's our journey. Only took about 6 months to make 2 beds. My typical time frame. Long time. So yeah, so bed number 1, I thought I was gonna do both beds like this. I thought I was gonna do some. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I tried to earlier and no.
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab. No, it's some Japanese wood burning. I'd seen this on YouTube a few times and I always wanted to do it. So I thought what better way than make a bunk bed, or actually these are loft beds. So take some loft beds and try it out. Big mistake. Never again. Never again. I'm not gonna do. So bed number 2 did not get the wood burning. Bed number 2, I figured I'd just make some stencils and do some digital camo on them. Thought that'd be pretty simple. No, that wasn't simple either. So pretty much the idea was to utilize the best space of the boys' rooms, which are kind of small. So I figured if I could get their entertainment centers under the beds, that would work out pretty good. Because I got some boys that like to game games such as Fortnite.
You're a bit off.
Oh, we're gonna admit you play Fortnite on YouTube
No.
to everybody.
No.
No.
We play
Call
Halo.
of Duty.
We play Halo every night. What are you
You
talking
don't
about?
play Halo.
Yeah, we do.
Call of Duty,
Yeah.
maybe. Fortnite.
No.
Fortnite.
What are you talking about? I said
Fortnite.
we played it last night.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wait till you see the video.
Okay.
What are you playing? This Fortnite? Anyway, let's get into the beds. So here we go. Bed number 1, wood burning. bed number 2, stencils. Here we go. Alright, so there you go. There's our ultimate gaming loft beds. Or, I don't know, I'd rather say our DIY beds that we made. Dope as shit. So, yeah, so let us know which one do you like best. Which one, the wood burning or the stencils? And if you like seeing random projects like this, subscribe, and we'll see you with the next project.
Not
Thanks for watching. It won't be another bed.
Okay.